In the last video, I explained why most agencies hit a wall around 10 clients. This is what breaks that wall. A system that connects every doc, client, project info inside your agency and turns it into something that you can talk to. I call it the agency brain. So it connects your existing tools like Google Drive, Google Sheets, Notion, and turns it into one searchable layer. Then all of your data is analyzed and sent to a private database. So when you ask a question, the system pulls the most relevant pieces, checks context, and gives you an answer with a link to the original source. It's not guessing, it's proving. Your team can see every answer and where it came from, and that builds trust from day one. If this system sounds like it belongs in your agency, book a free 30-minute call down below and I'll see how I can help you. But if you'd rather see it in action first, stay till the end and I'll show you a live deployment so you can see how it works. I tested it across real agencies, social media, design, and creative agencies, but only saw one thing. Search time dropped by 80%, answers in seconds, and no one asked, where is that file? Once your information becomes searchable, your agency feels lighter. Clients get faster responses, hires ramp in days, and you get so much more time to focus on growth. That is what proper scaling looks like. So if you're ready, book your free 30-minute call down below and I'll see how I can help you. But if you want to see the video on the full demo, click on this video so you can see how it looks like. Either way, you're going to see what is going to happen to your agency when it starts remembering everything.